In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are in NUGT territory. We did see it diverge. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we still remain in NUGT, but appears to be approaching to positive territory. If we extend out further to the daily chart, we still remain in NUGT and slightly off of oversold levels with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $162.05. My sell target is at $168.87. However, if my stop loss is at $159.39. For my short position, my entry is at $170.23, and that is this range here. My sell target for it is at $164.78, and my stop loss is at $173.02. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 33% chance to climb between 0 to 2.5%, a 33% chance to climb between 2.5 to 5%. To the downside, it has a 33% chance to fall between 0 to negative 2.5%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.